is a leaf's only purpose to fall.
Alright, what do we have here? Make a tutorial video. Well, what am I even gonna... Tutorial videos. These are the videos you look up if you want to know how to make something. You'll see these often on YouTube. These days, tutorials are better if they are in video form. Most people would like to have a moving visual representation rather than just words and pictures. With that, let's see how people make these videos. Or how I think they make it. You can't start making a tutorial video without something to make a guide on. But how do you choose? I have 3 ways to find the topic I would like to make a tutorial on. One is to find something people need or want to make. Another is to update an existing one. And the easiest one is something you're gonna have fun on. This one, of course, I chose something that I think it's fun for me. For additional information, don't forget to research about your topic. This also helps if you get lost somewhere in the next steps. Now, some people will say that after a topic is to find the title. Well, titles can be changed anytime you want to make it more luring.
My real personality reveal video didn't get many views in the first 2 days because I titled it something I need to talk about. But then I changed the title to I speak normally for the first time ever, and I added a real personality reveal writing in the thumbnail, and since then the video exploded.
So let's just proceed to the script. The script all depends on the topic you are presenting and how you will present it. I mean, look at my script. It's just a few words on a notepad. After all, I'm just making a tutorial on how to make a tutorial so you can make a tutorial on whatever you want. The script will mostly depend on your skills in essays and such. Aside from the academic route of teachers giving you topics to make essays from, watching videos that gives explanations to certain things can help as well. These can include the infographics shows.
They are both convicted killers. This might sound strange to you, but prisons like this might just work. Tell us what you think about that after the show.
The Score Esports.
With the release of Breeze, Riot has shown that they're willing to continue making these larger, more experimental maps. Just because Valorant started as a copy of Counter-Strike doesn't mean the two games have to be identical.
Those video essays of Soviet Wumble and many more. Pay attention on the word usage and how they deliver it.
Let's go back to that pin from the beginning. You have to decide which of these is the Galapagos finch. Which bird out of this group, which have all gone through successive changes over generations to adapt to specific conditions on their island, yet can still trace their ancestry back to the same flock, which of these is the Galapagos finch? But, you know, at least the finches can't speak English, right? It doesn't really matter to them which one you pick. They're not going to get angry. They're birds, you know? I know it's really obvious what I'm doing here, but are you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ha! You were Bohemia Interactive all along. Ah! What a twist! What a twist! M. Night Shyamalan.
Now you're done with your script, let's move on to the execution. First, record your voice lines. Record and download anything you need for your video. I just realized that I need to record every time I download something. And once everything is prepared, it's time for editing the video. Arrange the voice lines, align the clips, and put some transitions. This part now depends on your editing skills, and as I said, if you get lost, you can research on it. After all, there are tutorial videos on how to make editing. Want to know how to make a shape in Adobe Premiere? Research.
To get started, I just added a video clip to my timeline. Let's begin by going over to the graphics panel. To add a shape, click and hold on the pen tool to select either
There. Maybe I was just blind. After all of that, export and double check your video. Go back, export, double check until everything's good to go. If you're not satisfied with your first tutorial video, don't worry, these types of videos get better every time you make them. It's an improving skill which improves over time. Duh.